What's up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? This is Moto Noir, and here's my motorcycle, all dirty. I just put in my DB killer for the first time in a long time. You know, I'm actually surprised. It doesn't really change the characteristic of the sound very much. It just, you know, kind of knocks it down, like, I don't know, like, what is it, like 5-6 dB or something like that? But that 5-6 dB really does make kind of a big difference. I'm just really worried with these new summons going out to a few of my friends for their loud bikes. I kind of want to avoid that. But I guess I shouldn't make it seem like a lot of my friends. There's only been one person that I know of that has received one of these written summons from the city for that. And so I really shouldn't make it seem like it's a big deal, but I just don't want my bike being targeted by the police whatsoever. I want them to do their job and keep my bike from being stolen, but I don't want to have any problems with them. I don't want to have speeding tickets. I don't want to get pulled over for anything or have any contact with them unless I need them. I just want them to be there. I mean, I guess that's pretty much the goal for anyone with a vehicle, or anyone just in general. No one really wants to see a police officer more often than they have to. Oh, it's a nice day today. It's pretty cold, but it's the sun's out, so it makes it a lot easier to deal with the cold, and the wind has died down finally. So it is relatively a nice day. Just beautiful. The sky is clear. It's one of those days you got to be thankful for. I think I'm gonna head back to the garage. Oh, I just don't feel like being at my apartment for some reason. I'm leaving my girlfriend's apartment right now and riding around, but what to do. Normally, if I were as bored as I am right now, I'd actually ride out to Union Garage, but Union Garage is completely shut down officially, so there's none of that. You see there on my acceleration there, the bike used to, you know, get really wild. It'd be like, wah! And it kind of, that's gone. And I don't mind that because my brain no longer hurts. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all. And it's still loud enough so that traffic and other cars know that I'm here and that I'm coming. Still plenty loud enough for that. Yeah, hopefully it's just not so loud that I get a ticket for it. Jeez. Yeah, you can hear that there. Yeah, so I'll rock the DB killer. I had to find my... So the DB killer slots in, and then there's like a little bolt that keeps the DB killer in place. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. but I had to find it. I knew I kept it, but I just was like, I could not find, or I couldn't remember where I had placed it and which area, what motorcycle bag. So finally I had a random, just rarely used container that I put just like random parts for motorcycles in. And sure enough, it was in a little baggie in that little container. And seriously, I'd be looking for it for like 3 days. Sun right in my eyes, great. Which means I won't see a police officer unless they're marked. Never a good thing, ladies and gents. Never a good thing. Alright. Just go slow. So today is the Daytona 500, and we're going to be getting together with the guys later on. We'll watch a little bit of that, because if it has an engine and it goes fast, we like to watch it. So anything MotoGP, NASCAR, F1, you name it, superbikes, we like to watch it. We can move a little bit faster. Freaking douchebags, man. Okay, alright. I'll stop being bitter and complaining all the damn time. Go. And it's nice riding around in the neighborhood and not being that guy with my exhaust system being so loud. Because for a long time, well, for over a year now, I have been that guy. I'm the one setting off car alarms as we go down the street. And when we're having conversations on Sennas, they can hear the bike in the Senna and outside, so it creates this weird auditory effect for them. So, who knows? Maybe we'll cut down on that a little bit. What's going on, brother? Alright, I think I will call it quits for today. Thank you, ladies and gents, for joining me on this little update, vlog thing, whatever. Love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.